Ready? Here it comes. What do you think? Not a fan yet, huh? Rice cereal? How are you liking it? Try a tiny bit more? No. Brother and sister eat. Say hi. Right, Em. You want another bite? Here we go. Here it comes. Yum, yum, yum. Rice cereal. With a little bit of pear sauce. I don't think the babe's a fan of food. Yeah? You do like it? You do like it? Alright, let's try again. Try another bite. No. Not your favorite, huh? Boo. Boo. Alright. It was a good first try, huh? We'll keep it going? Get those cheeks chubbier? I'd say so.